What's up, guys? It's Drew here with another lesson for you. So today I want to talk to you guys about switching from guitar to a new instrument like the mandolin. The mandolin came into my life when a friend got one, and it all kind of took off from there. What was easy about it, if you guys don't know, the mandolin is like an upside down guitar. If you look at it this way, and this would be your guitar, your top string's E, your second string's A, third string's D, and then your bottom string would be G, just like a bass, right? But I'm holding this mandolin upside down, so if you flip the guitar over, you've got a mandolin and the violin for that consideration. So if you think upside down, this is your G, right? And this is a D. So this is also, or this is a G, I'm sorry. This is a G. So it can be really beneficial to just learn the scales right away. Like, start with the strings and do your G string, do your whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. And you go through 2 octaves right there, and they're nice and high. To be a little bit more specific there, we're going the G on the open string, and then on the 2nd fret, an A, and then 4th fret B, 5th fret C, the D string open, 2nd fret E, 4th fret F sharp, then our octave there at G on the 5th fret, then we're going to play the A open, 2nd string B, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, and then 3rd fret is C, 5th fret is D, and then an open E string on the bottom, 2nd fret F sharp, and then 3rd fret G. And then if you want to kind of do some arpeggio stuff, what you can kind of play the G open and the 4th fret, F sharp, B. Play the D, G, right? Just like a chord. G, B, D, G. Right, and if you turn that B to a B flat, you got your minor. You guys know that. Flat your 3rd, you get a minor. Okay, so that being said, the mandolin's pretty neat because it's tuned to 5ths this way, unlike the guitar, which is tuned to 4ths, and you get the kind of fluctuation every 3 strings. So that pattern of that G repeats, right? If you do we do the A? You do the same thing. Now, your first lesson, generally, you'd start in D, with this being your D string, and you're going to go 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then the same thing on the next string down. 2nd, 4th, 5th, right? For D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. And then if you were going to do the key of A and do the same thing on the A string, it's the exact same pattern. 2, 4, 5, open 2, 4, 5, right? 5, 4, 2, 0, 5, 4, 2, 0. If you did that in the key of D, right? Same thing. Same thing with the G. So it's that same, depending on which string you're on, pattern each time. So it makes it kind of easy to learn in the scales. And you just move everything up. Learn how to play it, like do your D up here. It's the exact same pattern again. And it's just, you know, whole step, half step. Whole step, whole step, half step. So that's our quick little get you started on mandolin lesson. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I recommend, you know, just start playing just those 3 strings, G, D, and A, and playing those scales, and then just do the kind of the mental math and move up the neck, and you'll be on your way to playing the mandolin. I guess some other things to kind of point out there is the way that you're kind of stuck with 2 chord shapes, or 1 chord, 1 to 2 chord shapes, and then it just repeats over and over again. You can play a G like this, where you're playing G and a B, and then you got a D and G, right? If you want to kind of add a little more beef to it, you can get that F sharp there, and the G here and the B here. You move that up a whole step, and you got A major, right? Flat your third, and you got the minor, right? It's all pretty simple if you kind of know what you're doing on the guitar already. It just kind of flips over, and everything works linearly up the mandolin neck, and it makes it a lot of fun, a lot of room for exploration. Just kind of conjure elves or whatever have you that's out in your garden. So anyway, this is Drew signing off with your first mandolin lesson. It's my first time teaching one of these on a video, so let me know what you think, guys, and until next time, we'll see you on the flip side.